Hey guys, so today I'm just gonna give you a quick rundown of my bell pepper, and those are sugar baby watermelon, kale. These are my fall kale coming up. Kale looking nicely over here. These are kale looking good. So these are the bell pepper. There's some baby bell. So now it's bell pepper time, so a lot of pepper coming in. If you look, there's a lot of flowers. This one have like six, seven bell pepper on there. You can tell. And these are the pepper that I top. I don't know if you guys watch a video that I top these pepper. Whenever you top them, they bear a bunch. So this is just one. And it's just spreading like wildfire. And some kale. These are broccoli. These broccoli are getting really tall. Have some mint over there. And these are aloe vera. Can't take this slug snail on my stuff. And I've been drinking aloe vera with turmeric, and I mix it with my carrot juice. It's really refreshing. Mint. I don't even know what kind of mint it is, but I know it's mint. Those are peppermint. And I bought this mint. I think I bought it at Walmart. It's growing up nicely. Here's the banana tree. You guys remember the banana tree that was struggling all winter? I swear this banana tree was dead. And Black's Tropical Homestead always tell me, don't worry about that banana tree. It's gonna come right back. But look what happened. It is bursting up a lot of banana suckers. So that's 1, 2, 3, 4. Only if you can see behind it, there's another one coming up back there. See that? So we have 4 or 5 banana plants right there. There's a little banana plant coming up right there. So we have like 5, 6, 7 banana bursting up out of the ground. You see that? Wow. This is just awesome. Somebody told me that snake doesn't like banana plant, so that's kind of good. My Jamaican yam. This is my Jamaican yam. I don't know if you can see it. I put it on a pole. So what it's doing, it's running. And this is a white yam. In Jamaica, we call this yam Selvinsa yam. So it is nice texture. It's white, and those are aloe vera plant next to it. I planted some mango tree, but this is the Jamaican yam. I have this yam for so many years. You're gonna believe me when I tell him I have it for over 5 years. My son is 5 this year. I brought it from Miami when I was just pregnant with him, and he's 5 this year, so you do the math. But that's what it looks like. Beautiful yam, doing really good. And it's just a yam seed, because the thing is, I dig that yam up. I had it at one of my condo, but the condo, we don't have a big space, and it was running everywhere at the condo, so I decided to dig it out. I have a friend that come and dig it for me, and I give him a bunch of yam because it bears so much. So I share it between him and myself back like probably 3 years ago. So I gave him the plant for the yam. I tell him he can just take the head and take it with him. So he live in a condo too, so I don't even know what he did with it. But I wasn't thinking about farming at the time, so I'm like, okay, you can have it. But last year, or earlier this year, I went to the condo and I saw a little vine So that was from one of the seed, because these, it's gonna bear and form a lot of seeds on there, and the seeds gonna drop, and when they drop they just keep ratooning and keep growing and growing and growing. So you'll have yam for years, forever. These yam never die, they just keep coming back, because each time it go, it's gonna come with a lot of seeds, and that's what it is. This was just a yam seed I planted. So looking good. I just have to get a longer pole to put it on. Those are my compost. My husband cut the front lawn today, or the grass today. But look at this sugar baby. This sugar baby actually doing better in the compost pile than they're doing over in the raised bed. So this compost, it's almost done breaking down. You see that? But I left this in here because it looked way better than the one that's outside. So I'm gonna keep this in here as long as I can. Keep it in here before I transplant it out. I wanted to pour this compost out into the raised bed. So guys, look around in your compost pile. You might have some stuff growing. And just show you how rich the compost is, because everything that grows in here just so healthy, looks so healthy and good. But yeah, that's the compost pile. You see that? Those are fresh compost. These are the older ones. You see that? That's 2, 4, 5 pepper, 6 pepper. Wow. Bunch of pepper going on there, and they're all bell pepper. I'll probably come out here and harvest these tomato probably later on. Probably later on I come out here harvest. I have some more tomato over there too. Harvest. Over here, if you look, we have some pepper. More bell pepper. Bell pepper. Oh, this little one has 2 bell pepper on there. So lots of pepper. We have Scotch bonnet pepper. We have habanero pepper. I don't have no ghost pepper. I love pepper. I love hot pepper. Lots of tomato. There's pepper going on down there. See that? Tomato on the ground. There's a lot of. Here we have some more bell pepper. You know, this is bell pepper time. It's bell pepper season. Because all my bell pepper, look, everything is blooming. If you look over here, you see more bell pepper. Over there, there's bell pepper here. And there's so much bloom. So we'll have so much bell pepper in a couple weeks. I wanted to transplant out these bell pepper plants because these are the one that's that looks like they're dying. But wow, look at this one. And I'm telling you guys, whenever you prune your peppers, this is what the result you get. This one plant has over 15 peppers on there. Let me show you. See, you have like 4 or 5 buds up here. Look over here, you see 2 more going down. 1, 2 more, or 3. Look over here. There's another one right behind here. There's one shooting up there. You go down. There's another one. Look down here. There is one right here. If you look over here, there's another one. Look up here. There's some more going up in there. So these are, and if you look, it's just one root down there. So whenever you prune or top your pepper, this is the result you get from topping your bell pepper. So guys, remember to always top your pepper if you want it to bear more. You see that? That's just one vine, one plant, and it giving you like 20 or more peppers on there. Wow, that's a blessing from just one plant. You see that? Just one plant. Lots of pepper. Always top your pepper. Over here, these are looking nicely, looking good. And here, let's see what's going on. This one looking good, springing up. I need to put some compost at the root. So you just continue feeding your pepper. That's what I keep doing. Just continue feeding them. Let's go over here to the okra. I know I need to harvest some stuff. There's a lot of stuff going on. So that's okra. Another big one back here. Actually, it's okra tree. I've harvested so much every day I eat from these okra plants. Here, this pepper tree is gonna need a brace. If you look at that, be cut because it has a bunch of bell pepper on there. There's like 4 or 5 pepper on this one tree. Over here, these are chili pepper. These are chili. Over there, we still have some more okra to harvest over there. I'm about to harvest these okra. We have some more habanero pepper. Over here we have some cayenne pepper. So these are cayenne pepper. And these tree also, they're loaded. So these tomatoes are everywhere. I think there's a little disease. Let me get this okra before it gets bigger. Because as I tell you, I try to get them before they get out of hand. Because the bigger they get, the harder they get. So you don't want them to get too big. But these are cayenne pepper. Cayenne pepper, very good. Oh wow, I break the whole limb. Thank you guys for watching. I really love and appreciate you all. Thank you to my longtime subscriber or my new subscriber. I really love and appreciate you. Thank you. I'll see you on the next video. God bless.